Hi everyone, in today's video you will learn how to prepare digital circuit construction and electronic circuit construction using simulation software.
At the end of this video, you will be able to construct XOR gate using IC74LS04D, IC74LS08D, IC74LS32D by the circuit design and simulation software. Construct a bridge rectifier circuit using simulation software. Let us collect all the tools, equipment and materials required to do this practical. Personal computer installed with simulation software. Printer with power and data cables. Construction of XOR gate using circuit simulation software. Select the circuit diagram of XOR gate for the construction using electronic circuits. Switch on the computer, open the simulation software through the Windows Start menu or click on the simulator icon on your desktop and get the first screen. Observe the contents of the window and identify different menu items arranged horizontally on the toolbar as well as on the left side of the window. From the menu bar, identify the Place menu. Click and pull down the options as shown. Click on Component Group, select TTL and scroll to 74LS and select the required IC 74LS04D and click OK. Observe the dialog box table appearing inside the workspace area. Click on A and then OK. If more than one gate is required, click on A and B, etc. Follow the same steps and select the other required logic gates IC74LS08D and IC74LS32D from the menu as shown. To select the resistor, go to Place, select Component, set Basic in Group and select the resistor with the required value. Click OK. To add the power supply to the circuit, click on the Place menu, select Component, set Sources in Group, select DC Power and then click OK. To select an LED, click on Place menu, select Component, set Basic in Group, select 3D Virtual, select LED 3 green from the component and click OK. To select ground, go to the Place menu, select Components, set Sources in Group, select Power Sources and then select ground and place it in work area as shown. Select a logic switch by selecting Place, Component, Basic in Group, 3D Virtual and switch one from the component as shown. Make the wiring of the circuit. Keep the cursor at one node of the component. A dot will appear. Move the cursor to the place of wiring. The dot will appear at that node. Now click the mouse to finish the wiring. Follow the above step and complete the wiring of all the components. Set the voltages to 5. You can set the required voltage of the power supply by double-clicking on the symbol and then changing the value. Click OK. Label the input switch as A and B and output LED as output. Now simulate the circuit by clicking on the Run button from the toolbar, setting the different logic inputs at logic switches and verifying its output from the LED. Let us discuss how to construct a bridge rectifier using the circuit design and simulation software. Switch on the computer. Open the simulation software through the Windows Start menu or click on the simulator icon on your desktop and get the first screen. Look for the component toolbar or menu. It's usually on the left side of the screen. You can also use the place menu, component toolbar or place within box. Drag the components from the toolbar or menu into the work area. In the component library, locate the section for the diode. Identify the FWB, that is the full wave bridge. Select the bridge rectifier circuit and then place it on the work area. From the transformer menu, select a step-down transformer and drag it onto the design area by right-clicking on it. Set the ratio to 10:1, which means the voltage from the primary is stepped down 10 times. Select the appropriate resistor type from the toolbar menu. And by double-clicking on those components, and you can set their values as well. You can change the direction of the component by right-clicking on it and selecting rotate 90 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise as required as shown. Connect the transformer primary side to the AC supply as shown in the circuit diagram. And double-click on the AC source to configure its properties. Set the frequency and voltage values according to your simulation requirements. Connect the transformer primary side to the bridge rectifier as shown in the circuit diagram. Connect the transformer secondary side to the bridge rectifier as shown in the circuit diagram. Connect the resistor in parallel to the bridge circuit. To add the CRO to your circuit, select the instruments from the Stimulate menu and select the oscilloscope as shown. Click on it and then click on the location in your circuit where you want to place the CRO. Select a CRO that consists of two channels A and channel B. Connect channel A across secondary winding and channel B across the resistor. Run the simulation and observe the DC output across the load resistor. This will simulate your bridge rectifier circuit. The simulation will display the signals on the CRO screen. Once the simulation is completed, you can observe the rectified output across the load resistor. The waveform should show a rectified signal, which means the AC signal has been converted to DC. Connect capacitor across resistor and then run to simulation. The waveform will be a horizontal line. You will get the DC filtered by the capacitor, and this horizontal line is a filtered DC output.
In this video, we have constructed and tested the digital circuit X or gate using electronic circuit simulation, and also constructed and tested a bridge rectifier using simulation software.
Thank you.